Hey guys, Kyle here with CM Concepts. Quick video here today. I'm just going to show you how to swap out the factory PSA base plate for one of our +2 extensions. So what you're going to want to do is find a punch or some sort of tool, screwdriver, whatever, that you can depress this floor plate with to slide out your factory base plate. You're going to want to take that, just push it in and slide it off. Keep your thumb here so your spring doesn't fly out. Remove that, take the old spring out. Take your factory spring off of the follower. We're gonna reuse that follower. And take the spring that we provided and install it. And then same thing, you're just gonna wanna put that follower and spring back in. Take your +2 and just kind of line it up. You're gonna want to take these grooves right here and line them up with these little tabs, and then take your spring, depress it with your thumb, and then slide that on. All right, should click in. And then next thing you want to do is just take the little set screw that we provided and your Allen key and install that. All right, now once you get that all the way installed, your +2 should be locked in pretty securely. You might have a black set screw with Loctite already added to it, so it will not be the same as the silver one, but there you go. You now have 17 in the PSA Micro Dagger magazine. Thank you guys.